to be a volunteer campaigner for ADA. AXIS party list. This AXIS stands for Anti-Crime and Terrorism Committee, which member are Chairman Erwin Tulfo, who is a renowned broadcaster known for his advocacy for the marginalized in his and Wainwright fight for justice. His decades of experience in media have given him a deep understanding of the issues facing ordinary Filipinos, and he brings that knowledge to the legislative arena. Him is Jocelyn Tolpo, a seasoned social worker and advocate for women's rights. Her extensive experience in helping vulnerable communities, particularly women and children, makes her a strong voice for the marginalized. Ibek Yap, a lawyer with a deep understanding of the legal system and a passion for public service, he brings a wealth of experience in advocacy and policy development, ensuring that AXIS platform is grounded in sound legal principles. I have my partner or groupmate in this PT to hear statement supporting on AXIS party list.
Hi dear, I am voluntary campaigner for the Axis party list, and I am here to tell you why Axis was the best choice for the recent Philippine election. Why Axis? Because they believe in action, not just words. They proven commitment through years of tireless work, providing essential services like free medical missions, legal aid, and educational programs. They've helped countless Filipinos access healthcare, fight for their rights, and build a brighter future for their families. They are the party of real solution, not empty promises. They understand the struggle faced by ordinary Filipinos, and they're committed to addressing them head-on, whether it's tackling poverty, improving healthcare, or strengthening education. Access is dedicated to creating a better Philippines for all. Access believe in transparency and accountability. They are a part that listen to the people, and they are accountable to them. They are committed to good governance and responsible leadership, ensuring that every piso of public fund is used wisely and effectively. Join Access on this journey of progress and prosperity. Vote for Access, and let's build a better Philippines together.